sun was blowing cold. Winter's thoughts were still on your mind, though. Your bags were packed, you were ready to go away. Spring was cold, came on too slow. You got restless, wanted to hit the road. You were sick and tired of clouds so gray. Oh, can you feel the sunshine coming? It will be shining on your face, just like you prayed. I know it's been a long time coming. You've been struggling so hard every single day. It's been a tough, the road is turning, but the end is in sight. It all feels so right. I feel the sunshine coming, and you know I always feel so blue when the sun shines. Sunshine.
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds brilliant and Bel Air now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever wild. The crazy days, city lights, the way you'd play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? I've seen the world, lit it up as my stage now. Channeling angels in the new age now. Hot summer days, rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show, and all the ways I got to know your pretty face and electric soul. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when
Feels like pistols got you on tiptoe, riding high with a loaded smile. Makes me laugh, you are such a joker. You're sick when you joke, but you're cruel to be kind. Love you best when you are savage and bitter. Give me more, your kiss, my favorite taboo. You and me are irresistible. You and me are indestructible. La 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 la. Love the way you treat me so badly. Work your flirt just to get at me. I'm no better, can't wait to tell ya. I got it on camera, Lilo and me.